Hi, Terrence. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I'm going to show you a few tricks that you can use starting today to start bringing in more customers organically rather than paying for those expensive lead services. So here we are on your website, and I'm not sure what's going on. It appears to be blank. I don't know if it's a loading issue or what's going on, but your website is not secure, and with a insecure website, you can get hacked. You can have identity theft issues. They can take over your website and your brand and cause thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in damages. Um, so it's really important to get your website secure with your SSL certificate. Um, I've looked at a variety of different pages. You have several pages that are pretty blank. So for your website, your homepage, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Um, that breaks down to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And you need to have a separate page for every specific service that you have and every specific service location that you service so that Google can index you for those keywords in each of those areas and help them to help it will help Google to put your website in front of potential customers. So Google has little robots called crawlers that go through and index every single one of your pages through the content and the keywords. So if there's not any content, they can't index you and you're not going to be found. If we go to your top competitor in Denver, we have A Quality Construction, and they have a nice looking website. They're using some buyer intent keywords, but they don't have enough content either. So you definitely need more content than these guys. They do have um, a few more pages, but they don't have enough pages as well. So you need to go and have separate pages for each of your services and each of your location, or not locations, but service areas. This is a program we use called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website performs. You have a zero point 0.2 out of 100 in Google Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that's because you only have 2 backlinks. You need a lot more backlinks. And because there's really no content, you have 0 keywords being indexed, and you're not getting any traffic to your website. Um, Looks like back in 2019 you were doing pretty good, and then it just kind of dropped off. Now, if we look at your competitor, they only have a 3.1, but they have 318 backlinks. Most of them are being pushed to their homepage when they should be going throughout their different services. In order to beat these guys, you're going to need more than 318 backlinks, and you're going to need better quality. The fact that they have over 300 backlinks and are only rated at 3.1 says that a lot of these backlinks are of poor quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that you have high authority backlinks. Because they have more content, they're being indexed for more keywords, and they're getting 172 people to their website per month. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your industry, the higher the authority for your website, and the more it's going to boost you in Google. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. This is a really important spot. You need to be in the top 3. It's highly competitive, and that's because 30% of people come straight to the maps and they don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 of this map section, then you're giving your competitors all of your leads. So in order to get in the top 3, there's a number of different factors, but the most important one is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And if you follow the tips that I've given you today, your website can be #1 across Google in Denver for pool builders. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback on this video. However, if you decide you'd like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.